Tired of missing calls from family or work when Do Not Disturb is active on your Samsung phone? Hey there, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to allow certain contacts to ring or call you even in Do Not Disturb mode on your device. So without any further delay, let's go. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Now tap on Notifications, scroll down again, then tap on Do Not Disturb. Scroll down once again. Then tap on Call and Messages. After that, tap on Add Contacts. Now choose the important contacts you want to allow during Do Not Disturb. Like, I'm gonna choose anyone from here. Then tap Done from the bottom. Here it is. So guys, this is how you can allow certain contacts to ring or call you even in Do Not Disturb mode on your Samsung phone. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.